Hey guys, Horace here real quick with a quick jump on it. Actually, I'm at work right now in the big truck, and the customer that I'm delivering to is on break right now. So I took advantage of that time. I figured, you know what, maybe we could come up with something for you guys that we could jump on right now. So got fortunate. I'm on Target real quick in the clearance section. They have this Goonies treasure map. If you're familiar with the movie, that would definitely be something that someone would want to collect. And you can see it's going for $14.76 at Target. And look, you can see that product on Amazon. You only got 2 people selling it. You only got one Prime, which is the one that you would be concerned with because you're going to use FBA, where you ship the product into Amazon and you let Amazon do all the shipping and everything because you work like me and you don't have time for all of that. So they're selling it for $31.49. And look, they only have 5 left. I got the Keeper chart up. And the Keeper chart, when you pop it out, is showing 5 sales a month. One day ago, they sold one for $29.99. That was probably the this guy right here. Actually, I use a tool called Tactical Arbitrage, and that's actually estimating 28 sales a month. I tend to lean towards that one. The next video I do, the bigger video that we do, it's going to be about Tactical Arbitrage, and I'll tell you all about that. But if you stick all your information into the revenue calculator, you can see that if we jump in with the other guy at $31.49, if we factor in about $1 to ship the product into Amazon, we could make about $7.79. Now, of course, you gotta take out sales tax if you have sales tax in your country. I'm gonna go over here. Here's the ASIN. If you can see that up there, you're gonna need that to jump on the product. So, but that would be the listing. You can make some money right now. And guys, this is how quick and easy it is. And told you, this is the segment we're going to be doing here. I'm serious about that, guys. We're going to be cranking them out so that we can work together to start getting you some results. But you got to take action, okay? I don't want to hear your excuses, guys. If I can take 5 minutes while I'm at work, okay, for your benefit so that you can make some money and have some real support. If I can do that, then trust and believe, I don't want to hear your doggone excuses. I don't want to hear your crap. We're working together. We're taking action. Think about this. You're going to be getting these deals because we're putting them together for you. Right away, you have to take action. In order to take action, you need to know when these deals are being shown. You need to subscribe to the channel, guys, and then hit the bell notification. The subscription isn't going to do you any good if I'm taking the time to put this out here and you didn't hit the bell notification, so you're not seeing it. If you happen to see this video and the deal is already gone, then all the more reason. Now you can see why you want to subscribe and you want to hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when we come out with this. This is what we're doing. We're taking action, guys. Let's jump on it. I'm Horace. I'm out.